Hello, it's Wolfletech, and there's supposedly a train just outside of work. Here it comes. Hello, it's the train. Oh, I've never seen that paint job before. So yeah, happenings this weekend. Chewy's bachelor party and the meet and party, and I wasn't prepared for this train crossing. I don't think I've ever stopped at a train at this train crossing. But this is literally the same line that it is at home, so it's just single line here through town. All the ethanol. But yeah, so I just released my 200 subscribers special, and that took months to do. Thank you guys. And thank you all, sorry. And yeah, I'm working on a new intro, a new channel message intro thing. And that'll be coming out shortly. New fluffed up episode should be coming out, and it's a new format, so that'll be exciting. See it, how you guys like it and such. Anyway, happy Friday. There's the end of the train. Bye.